Your borders here, and we will come here to destroy your borders. This is what I want to tell you again. We will not die here. We will continue our struggle. We will continue in your street. We will continue until in front of your door. We will say to you, stop your racism. Stop your racism law against us. We are human beings. We will continue to be visible. We don't fear anything against you. Seehofer, Angela Merkel, Salvini, all of you, we don't fear of you, we don't fear of your law. Bruxelles, we will shut down Brussels. We are here because you are there. We are here because you go to our countries. We are here because you are exploiting us. We are here because you take our resources. We are here because you don't like us. This is why we are here. We are here because it is no law in this world to say another human being is not allowed to move. Freedom of movement is everybody's right. You move to go Africa, we move to come here. You move to go America, we move to come here. You move to go Asia, we move to come here. If you don't like us, stop destroying our countries. If you don't like us, stop exploiting our resources. If you don't like us, stop exporting the arms to our countries. If you don't like us, stop the war in Africa, in Asia, everywhere. I want to continue to say to German people, why you send your military to Niger and Mali? Why your military is in Africa? Tell us, give us answer. Why you send your military in Africa? Did you see any African military in Europe? No. Why you are sending? We don't need you. Please move out. Go out with your military. Go out. Leave us freedom. Leave our countries in freedom. Leave us in freedom. We will continue to fight because we get this fight. It's heritage from us. It's heritage from Nelson Mandela, from Thomas Sankara. We know Africa so far since long time from you Europeans. This is why we, today and tomorrow, our kingdom will continue to come here and we will born a new kingdom here. We will fight for freedom of Africa. We need freedom for Africa. We need you to leave our Africa in our hand. We need you to leave us in peace. Our countries, we can develop it by ourselves. That is only what we need from you to move from our countries. You don't have anything here. 60 years is Africa taking care of Europe by your own exploitation because you don't have anything. Germany, you don't have oil, you don't have gold, you don't have anything. You exploit from Africa, and today you say you don't like us. You are lying. We continue to be here. Give us back what you took. Give us back what you took. Give us back what you took. If you don't like us here, we will go back in Africa. Give us our petrol, our uranium, our gold. If you give us, we will go back to Africa. But in another way, freedom of movement is everybody's right. The world becomes small. To move is more easier. If you build a border, we continue to come by taxi, by plane. If you build a border, we will continue to come. We will find another new way to come. The border, we will not see anything about it. But the border will never stop us because he will continue to make a war. So this war, we will continue to come. We will flee. We will continue to fight by force. And we will continue to build. We will build a street from Spain to Morocco. This is Africa way to come in Europe with any kind of control. Africa is for us continent very rich, continent who have very resources, continent who have strong women and men, continent who will continue to live. The future of the world is in Africa. This is why we are here. We will never stop fighting until you will leave Africa in peace. We will never stop fighting until we stop exploiting Africa. I want to say to you in October we have a huge big conference from refugees in European Parliament. We want to denounce they are criminalizing in Africa. We want to denounce them to stop all what they are doing to look at us as human beings and equal right for us. This is only what we want from them. We want to be equal and they leave us in peace. We will build ourselves. We will continue to live in dignity. This is only what we want. And our brothers and sisters, Africa, we have to get up. We have to be united. We have to stand up. We don't have to fear anything which we can lose. We cannot lose anything. our dignity. We have paper. We don't have paper. We continue to fight against Europeans because years they exploit us. Today we don't need any paper from them. We need only to get freedom from Africa. We need to get freedom for ourselves. This is what we have to continue. If they say they will not give us paper, we forget about paper. But we fight to get our freedom. If we get the freedom, the next generation will get the paper. This is how we have to do it. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ali. Where's the other Ali who wanted to speak as well?
Them show us there is road on the sea. We don't know. They are the ones who show us.
Hello. Thank you very much for our brother Ali Niger. He made really very good speech about the policy of European policy and also about Africa, what happened to us in Africa and our continent. But really, I want to concentrate in Hamburg. Lampedusa in Hamburg is me, victim of NATO 2011 in Libya. And all of you know what happened to us, this group Lampedusa in Hamburg. Lampedusa in Hamburg, mainly we have 5 stations. Lampedusa in Hamburg, mainly we have 5 stations. Our first station, Caravan. Second station, San Paulo Church. The third station, Duldum. The third station, Duldum. The fourth station,